See that building there? That's the one where they shot Ren and Stimpy over here at the Radio Shack. Look.
Oh man, not Stimpy.
Yep. Yep, right here in Paul's Valley on this brick road. I remember it just like it's yesterday.
I heard he was a creeper anyways.
Oh, City Hall up here.
That's First National Bank, you idiot.
No, it says City Hall. That's the jail where they kept,
Is that where they tried to hold down Paul?
they tried to hold down Paul Bunyan. And he says, no, not today. I'm Paul Bunyan. I mean, what? You don't, Dawson, you young. You don't know this stuff. And they teach you all that Common Core crap.
Listen,
Whatever it
when
is.
you grow up as a pug down at Pahola or whatever that place is, you don't learn much.
They don't pay. Pugs are rank.
Got drive day 1, 232 miles from Thunder Valley to Texas Motorplex.
What's the recipe for success today?
Sell it while we're in Texas.
Oh my God.
Get him for that.
Get one of them and ride it.
Probably be just as good. Probably get a better 60 foot out of it.
Probably. See that building there? That's the one where they shot Ren and Stimpy over here at the Radio Shack. Look.
Oh man, not Stimpy.
Yep. Yep, right here in Paul's Valley on this brick road. I remember it just like it's yesterday.
I heard he was a creeper anyways.
Oh, City Hall up here.
That's First National Bank, you idiot.
No, it says City Hall. That's the jail where they kept,
Is that where they tried to hold down Paul?
they tried to hold down Paul Bunyan. And he says, no, not today. I'm Paul Bunyan. I mean, what? You don't, Dawson, you young. You don't know this stuff. And they teach you all that Common Core crap.
Listen,
Whatever it
when
is.
you grow up as a pug down at Pahola or whatever that place is, you don't learn much.
They don't pay. Pugs are rank.
Good Lord.
Look at that little Volkswagen. Or not.
Got a mannequin up in there with no arms.
Well, it's just representation of real life. That happens, son. You go. No, I'm being. I'm not. I'm being. No, for real, dude. I had a guy that he was climbing poles and he got electrocuted and blew his arms off. That's real. So you know what?
Was that Bob?
I'm not upset with I'm not upset with them representing real life. I'm trying to get these power plants on video to show that Russia is not the leader of nuclear war. You see all them?
What?
Look at that. I can't zoom in because I'm holding a dang camera. See all them nuclear power plants? What is your problem, dude? Look! Zoom in on that for me. People need to see this. We're here in the middle of nowhere, but I just witnessed. Power plant. It's aliens! That ain't Russia! You think that's just clouds coming out of there? No. That's a nuclear byproduct. That's why all the cows over here are weird. I'm telling you, dude.
You're turning right at the light.
What is this town?
I don't know.
That guy where he had that hold of that weed eater, he acted like he's mad at his wife, dude. He torching the grass. Did you see that?
No.
Yeah, man.
Better watch out. He might wrap it around the pole like somebody I know.
Is that the rural version of World Star? What's up there on that water tower, dude? Windstar. It's a casino, dude. Look.
Damn place is huge.
Yeah, it's huge. All that money. Windstar. Look, dude.
That's Blue Man Crew.
It is. They're on tour. They're playing in Dallas. Let's say you slow down. Where are you going? Right here. Don't yell at me. I'll do better. You'll beat my time over here too, but you know, whatever.
This is where you threw the belt last year.
Because I was going so dang fast, I don't know how to put my foot down.
I think you went like a 1488 or something like that.
That's bogus. That's bogus. They tried to bump me out of the class because I ran so fast. They're trying to bump you down class.
Left lane, the four-wheel drive pickup truck. I mentioned last night, like it's got a Z71 sticker. That's
up today? Sum this up.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. First run out, made sure it go good. Second run, I tried to leave first. Accidentally just shifted straight to second. So I didn't even get to leave it first.
That's what you do.
So.
Oh, you put your two-step on.
Yeah, we put two-step on. It didn't really work like we thought it would. Needs a lot bigger converter in it. So.
Alright. Well, that's a great update, man. It's a great day. So it's time to get something to eat. We've already left.